We are organizing a workshop on safe injection practice through Indian Academy of Pediatrics Central Branch, and we are organizing a second meeting in Hyderabad in order to bring awareness among the community, especially pediatricians. Safe injection practices means no harm to the community, no harm to the provider, no harm to the recipient. Because what we have found is nearly two-thirds of our injections which are given to the people, they are unsafe. In the sense, they are not either in the wrong handling of the syringes and needles, and disposal. See, all the three components are important. The provider should be, provider means doctors, nurses and everyone. They should know how to give injections, and even though they know, they are not knowing the fineness of injection technique, even though after so many years they are practicing it. And second thing is, when you give injection, they should not harm the person who receives it, because there are so many diseases that can be transmissible by giving unsafe injections. So, for example, 2% of our HIV infections in the community is due to unsafe injections. Nearly 40% are due to hepatitis C, and 30% of HPV, that is hepatitis B infections, are due to unsafe injections. It's occurring throughout the country, and it's occurring throughout the world also. And we are also the people, not only that, we are not disposing of injection materials or injections properly, that after giving out the country. And syringes actually, they are disposed in the especially dustbins, and people are handling it, sometimes recirculated. We are reusing, almost 23% of our syringes have been reused in the community, and they just pick it up, and then so with this, while handling us, especially the people who are working in the hospital, the doctors, nurses and the IS class 4 people, they may get infections because of wrong handling of wrong technique of the giving injection, handling and delivering the vaccine, especially not only in the vaccines. And in addition to that, our injections are given irrationally. That means for simple fever, simple cough, simple diarrhea, everything the people demanding injections. That is not needed now. Nowadays the safe medicines are available, which can be given orally and as effective as injections. And the purpose of this training is to bring awareness among the people, not only the pediatricians, right from the top and to the rural area. We are bringing awareness among the doctors, nurses, paramedical workers, and as well as in the community, in order to handle the especially syringes properly. In this workshop, we are training the people regarding when to give injections, what is the need for injections, and how to give injections, how to give IV injections, how to draw the blood, and how to dispose of the injection waste, how to monitor, that means how the injections have been given, provided, how to monitor, how to do a surveillance. All these aspects have been discussed in this workshop. Nearly 50 doctors, pediatricians will be a workshop, and 3 or 4 faculties have come from outside Hyderabad, and then we are discussing, and then these people in turn go to the respective places. They are going to practice it, and they are going to disseminate the knowledge in the community. And similar type of workshops, we are organizing almost 20 workshops doing across the country. And this program we are doing every year, right from 2004. So from last 9 years we are organizing this type of meeting. Because of this, people are demanding now disposable syringes. We are not supposed to use boiled syringes. We are supposed to use disposable syringes. Even disposable syringes also, they have been modified now. Once you give that injections, they get locked, so you can't reuse it. Even if you want to reuse it, you can't use it. What's prevailing in the community is, even though disposable syringes are there, some people in the rural area, they are boiling it and they are using it, and that will not happen here afterwards. The government of India, they are supplying the AD syringes, that means auto-disposable syringes, which are, once you give injections to the child, automatically that gets locked, and it will not reopen, and it can't be used, and that will be disposed approximately in a bundle, and then safely disposed. See, all these aspects, the finer aspects of the vaccine injection delivery is being discussed in this thoroughly, so that the people should not get the ultimate aim is to see that no one should be made, especially get harm, that means danger by getting injections. That is the purpose of this workshop.